This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Duyet Bui. Better than new. This well-loved 3-bedroom, 2-bath home features an open floor plan with very nice features, including hardwood flooring throughout, tile in kitchen and bathrooms. Kitchen has laminate countertops, crown molding in most rooms, built-in shelves, can lighting throughout home. It has a brand new roof in October 2020, a 1-car garage, and an awesome outdoor entertainment spaces including back porch. The home has large bonus shed in the backyard for extra storage. This is a must-see. Square footage is approximate. For more information, review the details below or contact Duyet Bui at 865-687-1111.